Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has come out swinging, labeling the violent protests as acts of terrorism. He warns that destruction of infrastructure and essential services won't go unpunished. Paulette Otieno brings us the full blast.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has declared the government's unwavering stance on acts of violence committed during recent protests. Speaking in Eldoret during the launch of the Jukwaa la Usalama Forum, the CS emphasized that the Prevention of Terrorism Act will be fully enforced.
The security team are finalizing investigations, particularly on the financiers and the chief inciters in this county, and arrests will be done in good time. Some of those who are trying to finance attacks on properties and attempted attacks on properties will be properly charged for the crimes that they are trying to commit.
Murkomen pointed to the destruction of public infrastructure, endangerment of lives, and disruption of essential services as acts that qualify as terrorism under the law. He also criticized the Law Society of Kenya, accusing it of defending criminals at the expense of innocent Kenyans who have suffered property loss with billions.
I saw the interview of the LSK president, and I was surprised that she was arrogating herself the position of a judge. We have presented the evidence to court. How did she assess that it was not watertight? And how did she assess that he did not miss the threshold? That is a court process, you know. There is no court that admits a charge sheet that is defective, you know.
He urged the judiciary not to bow to pressure when issuing bail terms, insisting that courts must offer protection to the public by treating such cases with the seriousness they deserve. Murkomen further challenged the opposition and legal fraternity to support peaceful demonstrations and distance themselves from acts of sabotage.
I know there are some people who are trying to intimidate judges, magistrates, so that they can give lighter bail terms and lighter sentences. I want to ask the judiciary and the Chief Justice to stand firm.
Murkomen concluded by reaffirming the government's commitment to upholding national security, urging the stakeholders, including the opposition and legal bodies, to act responsibly. He emphasized that protecting lives and property must remain a collective priority if Kenya is to perceive peace and constitutional order. Paulette Otieno, KUTV.